Okay guys, welcome back. Let's take a look at natural gas for the day. So before we get started, if you've not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So let's add our moving average to actually guide us, right? So this is a 10 period moving average, right? The moving average will actually guide us, whereby if our price is below our moving average, then we are to sell. But if it is above it, we are to buy. So clearly can see from this time, you can see that this price has been below the 10 period moving average. It has now, broken above the moving average, which is a buy, right? So if you take a look at this movement, guys, if you have to analyze it, you know that this is an uptrend move. You are seeing higher highs and higher lows, right? You can take a look at this. This is the highs on natural gas. Here comes a correction. We see this new highs that broke this previous highs, right? Here you can consider it as a correction, and a new highs has been made that broke this previous two highs. Here comes a correction, and again a new highs is forming. So this price has actually gotten to this level, right? So I would be expecting a pullback at this level on natural gas, and guess what? After the pullback, I'll be expecting a new high. So above all, the target or the goals is that this high, we should be making a new high that will actually break this highs, right? Possibly if there will be a pullback here, then a new highs will be made that will break this previous highs. And if price will continue to rally up, then there's still no problem about that. And as long as this highs, previous highs, is being broken. So that is exactly what we want to have on natural gas. We want to have a new highs. Now let's see if we can get some levels here. So we saw this price actually reacted here. You can see this price reacted here, and guess what? Price came to this level again. It bounced up. So we see that this price is actually rolling up. We see that price has once reacted to this level, right? We saw price also once reacted to this level, right, on natural gas. So if you zoom it in also, you see that price has once reacted to this level also, right? You can clearly see that price has once reacted to this level. So this is one of the reasons why you should not be surprised that if price can give us a pullback here before it breaks above it. So above all, the goal is the target is our natural gas to actually move um we are currently trading at $6, right? We should be expecting this natural gas to actually roll up to a level of $7. So I mean, that is exactly what we want, right? Natural gas should be able to hit $7. We should be able to take out this size. Also this level, we should be able to be at this level next, which is around $7. Now to place this trade, right, let's see what this 4 hour time frame says. So we want to go long, and the 4 hour time frame also says we have to go long. So if you want to place this trade, you can wait for a pullback. Like I once said, I said it on a daily time frame that we should be expecting like a pullback, right? This is it. So on this daily time frame, I told you guys that at least a little bit of a pullback should occur here, right, before we actually go long on this natural gas. So same thing with the 4 hour time frame. If you are to place this trade, I would rather advise you to wait for a pullback, right, before you enter to go long on this natural gas. I mean, if you take a look at this movement, let's start it from here. Here comes the impulse move, and we can take this as the correction, right? Here is the new impulse move, eyes. Here will be the correction, right? And again, a new ice has been made. So it will be better, or it will be the best thing to actually wait for a pullback before you enter to go long. And if you want to enter this trade here from here, maybe possibly can have your stop loss very, very wide. If you have your stop loss here, still not bad. So it will be better if price actually come down, you take your trade here and your stop loss is here, which will be tight. No, still still better by the way. So anyhow you want to trade it, it is up to you. So I won't tell you how to place this trade, but what we know that we will be having a bullish move the next day on this natural gas. So watch out for it, guys.